Okay, children. Good morning. Good morning to our beautiful, wonderful, and amazing class that is mathematics. Remember that the previous class we were reviewing 5 frames, and today we are going to review 10 frames. Okay, let's see. What are we going to review? What is a 10 frame? We're going to check some examples, then I am going to explain you the seesaw activity, and then you're going to work in IXL. Okay, that's it. Let's start. What is a 10 frame? Well, the previous class, as I told you, we were checking what is a 5 frame. A 5 frame receives that name because it has 5 squares like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 squares. Okay, now today, if I am telling you that we are going to use 10 frames, that means that it has 10 squares and they are completely joined like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Well, we can use 10 frames for adding, subtracting, counting, and etc. Okay, as I told you the previous class, we can use dots, like in this case black dots or red dots, but also we can use drawings. Let's see some examples. The first example is this one. Oh, this is not a correct 10 frame because here we have 5 and 1. No, that doesn't function. Okay, the correct one is this one. And when we have all the dots here, that means that the frame is full. That means that you have in total, you have 10. It is necessary to count? No, Miss Patty, it is not necessary to count all the dots because I know that if I have dots in all the spaces, that means that the frame is full or it has 10. Okay, now let's see. Which is the correct use of frames? Is this the correct use? Here, leaving this space free, leaving this one free, and this one? No, that is not the correct use of 10 frames, so it is necessary to complete all the spaces. And the order is this one: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the correct way. So from left to the right, up first and then down. Okay, so let's see the next image. Look at this one. If I am showing this number 12, I start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this 10 frame is full, but I need 12. That means that in another 10 frame, I am going to put 2 different dots. In this case, I am using green dots, okay? Now, let's see the next one. We are going to add. I have here many cars, so I have here 10 cars plus 4 that my children gave me. In total, I got 14. That means that I start putting my cars here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, plus 4 more: 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is the correct way of showing and using 10 frames. Now, who can tell me or who can give me one example with these cupcakes? Wow, rainbow cupcakes. I have here the number 10. That means that I only need 10 frame. I don't need 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 frames. No, I just only need 10 frame. And I complete the squares with all the cupcakes I am going to count. Now, as you are masters managing 10 frames, what are you going to do? Well, you go to Seesaw activity and you are going to look for this activity, 10 frame teen numbers. First, you're going to tap, then the numbers you match with the 10 frame. So for example, here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Which number corresponds to this 10 frame mentioned? So this one, and I tap here and move the number to this space. Okay, the same example or exercise I'm going to do with this one. I am going to count and check which is the number that corresponds to this 10 frame, okay, in each one. And here you have 6 pages making that. Then you save your activity in Seesaw. Okay, now once you finish Seesaw activity, you go to make this one. Here we have number 11. So you are going to draw the dots here to complete number and to show number 11, 12, 13, 14, etc. Okay. Once you finish Seesaw activity, you are going to iExcel page. Remember to use your personal code and you put here according to the instructions. So for example, here you have put 3 dots on the frame. So here 1, 2, 3. Listen to the instruction or read the instruction and submit, and immediately you will have another example. Is it clear for everybody the way we're going to work? I hope you understand everything and you can do these exercises very well. So, people, it was nice to see you in this mathematics class that I love so much because you know that mathematics is my word, is my love, as you are in my life and in my heart. And I love you so much. So, kisses for you all. I hope to see amazing jobs, wonderful, fantastic. And I, I am waiting for your surprises for me. Okay, people, I love you so much. I love you, kids. You are the most beautiful kids all around the world, and in the English school, you are the best. Remember that. Have that in mind. You are the best, and you will be the best all around the world. Okay, thank you very much for paying attention, and see you. Bye.